Look at Daddy. Alright. Say, Daddy's the best. Daddy's the best. Say, Daddy's the best. Come on now. Alright, yeah. Daddy's the best and Mommy stinks. You gotta say Mommy stinks. Mommy stinks. Say Mommy stinks. Yeah, she stinks. And say Daddy's the best. Say that. Say Daddy's the best. Yeah, say Daddy's cool. Yeah, Daddy's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Say Sailor's cool. Say Sailor's cool too. Say Sailor's cool. Yeah, you cool? Yeah, you're cool. And Mom. Yeah, Mommy still stinks. Say Mommy still stinks. Say that, yeah. Yeah, she stinks. Just a little bit. Just a little bit? Yeah. Is that right? Is that right? Yeah. And say, go Ohio State. Say, go Ohio State. Say, go Buckeyes. Yeah, LSU stinks. Say that. Say LSU stinks. Yeah, they stink, huh? Yeah, they stink. And the Buckeyes are the best. Say the Buckeyes are the best. Say that. Say it. Come on now. You say it? You gonna say the Buckeyes are the best?
Are you sure? I hate packing. It's closer to work.
Yeah, you're gonna say that? Yeah, you're gonna say that, huh? And say, let's see, what else can you say? Better say hi to Grandma, Grandpa, and Aunt Becca. Say hi to Grandma, Grandpa, and Aunt Becca. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hello. Hello.
Oh, no, wait a minute. Oh, okay.
Come on.
You
gonna talk or what?
You should share
huh?
the one bedroom.
Alright, you gonna say anything else? You just gonna kick me? You just gonna keep kicking me or you gonna talk? Yeah. Tell them hi. Tell them it's cold. Say it's cold up here. Tell them how cold it is. Say it's cold outside.
My favorite part was when Superman
Say it's cold.
the Jews out of Egypt.
Huh? Say it's cold. Say it is cold. Say cold. Say brr, it's cold.
Because Aunt Monica was very, very good this year.
See, it's cold.
It's time to light the Hanukkah candle.
You done talking? No? Still got a couple more things you want to say? Yeah? See, yeah, you still have a couple more things you gotta say?
It's like the Easter Bunny's funeral in here.
Anything else?
Come on, we're lighting the candle.
Say Merry Christmas to everyone in Ohio.
Superman is here, but why
Say that.
time at the Easter Bunny's funeral?
Yeah. Yeah, is that right?
Got it.
Back in the cage.
It's back in the cage. Joey, will you just come out here and stop being such a baby?
Okay, we done?
Yeah.